guys, naghahanap ka ba ng peaceful getaway na hindi naman ganun kalayo from the city, swak for food trip, relaxing staycation na may cozy rooms, memorable wedding venue, or kahit quick escape lang from the city life? Baka eto na yung perfect spot nyo. Welcome to Farm Hills Garden and Restaurant located at Barangay Ulat, Silang, Cavite. Pagpasok mo pa lang ng entrance, ramdam mo na agad yung fresh na hangin at yung sobrang peaceful na vibe. Bago ka naman pumasok ng restaurant, mapapansin mo na ang napakalaking swimming pool, kakaka-relax tingnan. Grabe, ang cozy ng vibe sa loob, perfect spot for brunch with the fam or chill dinner with friends. From Filipino classics to comfort food na may twist, hindi lang masarap, Instagram-worthy pa. For the appetizers, we have beef nachos na crunchy chips, loaded with beef, and super cheesy, perfect pansimula. Kung gusto mo ng light pero malasa, swak to, grilled chicken salad. Etong baby back ribs nila, sobrang tender, full of the bone, caramelized sa labas, juicy sa loob, pwede sa rice or mashed potato. 4-cheese margarita pizza, cheesy and rich, with just enough tang from the tomato sauce, crispy yung crust, soft sa gitna. Meron din chicken biryani, aromatic, flavorful, at malambot yung chicken. Sakto yung spice, hindi tinipid pero hindi rin overpowering. Roasted beef nila na na-enjoy ng friend ko ng todo, super lambot and sobrang flavorful. Chicken skewers, juicy, smoky, at lasang grilled goodness. For their drinks, nagtry kami ng avocado milkshake and fresh cucumber juice na both refreshing. Meron din silang alfresco area na may garden view at kung gusto niyo ng konting libangan, may billiard room din sila. At kung gusto niyo naman magstay longer, meron din silang ina-offer na bed and breakfast. Mga rooms na super neat, relaxing, may malaking bed, na kompleto lahat, TV, ref, table, jacuzzi, malaking CR with shower, and the best with veranda na ang sarap magkape-kape at muni-muni. Parang nasa probinsya ka pero may hotel level comfort. Ang sarap lang magpahinga dito, promise. Babalikan ba namin? Definitely yes na yes, worth it puntahan. Ayun lang, follow for more food trip and travel tips. Bye!